Namaskar. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am your SS teacher, Mrs. Vijayashree Shastri. Welcome to you on our video class. We are at chapter 5. This is our PA1 last chapter. We already completed textbook exercise that A, B, C, D and hard words in your fair notebook. That textbook exercise you have to do in your textbook only, and this question answers today we are going to do. This work you have to do in your fair notebook with a good handwriting. In my last video I already showed you how to write in 4-line notebook. You have to use 4-line properly. You have to gap between word to word, finger gap. Whenever you are writing, you have to, if you are not practice that time, you have to keep one finger, then you have to start next word. Like sometimes you will do like this, बाद में आपको अपने आप आदत हो जाएगी. Okay, today we are going to do page number 35, question answers writing zone. You have to do this in your fair notebook. Okay, now today's thought of the day is starting is easy, continuing is hard. Starting is easy, आप जो भी स्टार्ट करते हो तो वो बहुत इजी होता है और कंटिन्यू करना बहुत ही हार्ड होता है. सो वॉट एवर यू स्टार्ट यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू दैट एक्टिविटी. आप कुछ भी सपोज अभी स्किपिंग, योगासन वगैरह करते हो, एक्सरसाइज, बहुत एक्साइटेड होके पहले 2-4 दिन आप कर लेते हो, फिर बाद में आप उसको कंटिन्यू नहीं करते हो. यू डोंट डू लाइक दिस. ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. जो भी हमें स्टार्टिंग इजी होता है बट कंटिन्यू करना हार्ड होता है, देन ऑल्सो वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू गुड एक्टिविटीज इन अवर लाइफ. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी आर एट question answers. In that question answers, page number 36. Okay, sorry, page number 36. You have to write question answers good in fair notebook. First question is name the physical features of India. इंडिया का फिजिकल फीचर्स नेम करो. ओके, आपको इंडिया का फिजिकल फीचर जो है वो आपका नेम करना है. आंसर आपको वहाँ पे मिलेगा. फिजिकल फीचर्स यहाँ पे है आपको माउंटेन्स, प्लेन्स, प्लेट्यूज, डेजर्ट एंड आइलैंड्स एंड कोस्टल प्लेन्स. दीज आर आवर फिजिकल features of our India. Okay, so now we are going to write that one. Which one? So question number 1 is our name the physical features of India. Okay, answer 1. The physical features of India is the PHY SICAL physical features, FEA TURES features of India. Okay, number 1, the mountains. Number 2, the plains, the PLAINS plains. ये बेटा कर्सिव राइटिंग नहीं है, इसमें आप कर्सिव राइटिंग नहीं समझने का. ये मेरा सेपरेटली लिखा है, सिर्फ ए लिखने के टाइम आई में मैंने साथ लिखा है. द प्लेन्स, द प्लेट्यूज, THE, द PL PLATEAU plateau. Physical, the plateau. Now The desert. Answer is the desert. Fifth one is the coastal plains. Then sixth one I am going to write here, the islands. ISLAND. Island नहीं बोलना है, island बोलना है. Okay, this is question 1 answer. The physical features of India: the mountains, the plains, the plateau, the desert, the coastal plains, and the island. This is first question answer. You have to write in your fair notebook with a good handwriting. Okay. Second one is, what is desert? Second question is, what is a desert? In what color is it shown in the map given in the chapter? Chapter में हमें कौन सा कलर से हमें दिया गया है? Okay, here see my children. यहाँ पे मैप दिया गया है. ये जो येलो कलर जो है ये डेजर्ट एरिया है. ओके, सो सेकेंड आंसर इज आंसर deserts are sandy areas having no water or very little water. They get scanty rainfall. Scanty means बहुत ही कम. They get SCANTY scanty rainfall. It is, what is desert? Deserts are sandy areas having no water or very little water. They get scanty rainfall and it is shown in yellow color. Okay, this is our question number 2. Question answer number 2. That answer is, what is desert? It's shown in which color? Deserts are sandy areas having no water or very little water. They get scanty rainfall. It is shown in yellow color. Which state is having desert? In our India, Rajasthan is having desert area. That desert is called a Thar desert. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, name the 3 rivers of the northern plains. Name the 3 rivers of the northern plain. The answer is The main rivers of northern plains are first one, the Ganga. Second one, the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra. And third is the Satluj. Okay, the main rivers of the northern plains are the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Satluj rivers are the main three rivers of the northern plain. Right. Now I am going to erase first one's answer, that is the first question. Fourth question is, how is mountain different from plateau? Plateau से mountain कैसे different रहते? The mountains are very highland with the pointed painted tops. Then the plateau is vast area of a flat land on the top of hill. मैंने yesterday आपको जो हमारा mountains जो है बहुत ही ऐसे टॉप एरिया में होते हैं और हमारा जो ये होता है हिल और यहाँ पे ऊपर फ्लैट एरिया बनी रहती है प्लेट्यू में. ओके, सो the mountains are very highlands with the pointed tops. Plateau is vast area of a flat land on the top of hill. Okay, now fourth answer is, you have to write this question answers in your fair notebook. The mountains are very highlands with pointed tops. PL plateaus is vast means बड़ा, vast area of flat land on the top of hills. On the top of hills. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा माउंटेन और प्लेट्यू के बीच में क्या डिफरेंसेस है. माउंटेन्स में इससे एज वाला टॉप होता है और प्लेट्यू में उसका टॉप में फ्लैट एरिया बना रहता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज 4. Fifth, name the 2 island groups of India. इंडिया का 2 आइलैंड ग्रुप्स आपको बताना है. तो आइलैंड जो होते हैं, the islands are land masses covered by the water on all its sides. See the islands located in the Arabian Sea in the above are map. These are the Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman Nicobar Islands. The islands are land masses covered with the water. So, question answer number 5 is the island are land masses covered by water on all sides. These are हमारा इंडिया का 2 आइलैंड जिसे अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स. and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sixth question is the 2 rivers of Deccan Plateau. The 2 rivers of Deccan Plateau is the 2 rivers of Deccan Plateau is DCCAN. Deccan Plateau is the Godavari and the Krishna. The Godavari and the Krishna river. Okay, this is your question answers. You have to do these question answers in your fair notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, डेक्कन प्लेटू में जो रिवर्स है वो कृष्णा एंड कावेरी है. जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेट में जो रिवर्स है गंगा, सतलज एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर्स आर इन आवर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन में है. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.